Good morning, everybody. Today is day 3 of the bringing you along to Product Hunt with me. And today is day 595 of my Product Hunt streak. This is the Chrome extension, so it's got just an overview of the launching things today. And you've got tabs up here that you can sort through the different categories. But let's just jump in, and I'll start here. We'll check the streak. 595 days. I was at 26 yesterday, and we're still holding 26 today. We've got a little while before we can rank up here if anything happens to these people dropping off. I think that's how it works. I'm not 100% sure like what else entails you coming up here other than the day streak. So, all right, let's see what's launching today. All right, so we've got these are the products that are launching today. For the first 4 hours of the day, they're hiding up votes to help every product get a chance to catch your interest. I like to do it early if I can because it's not swayed by any upvotes. So let's just jump in here and see. We've got UJIT, generate multi-language Figma designs from component library. AI cover. Now this looks pretty cool. Create song covers using custom voices. This could be funny. Best AI cover generator for creating AI songs, 100% free, no sign up. All right. Last week I launched AI cover. Right now, AI covers is focused on generating unlimited songs, and I'm looking forward to adding more features. All right, cool. Let's check it out. Original version by Adele.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but.
Okay. Covered by Lady Gaga.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best.
Wow.
Oh, you.
Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, steps to use the cover generator. Click refresh model, select the model from the drop-down list, upload a file or paste a YouTube link, click generate, wait, and that's it. Wow. Look at these. They have all sorts of voices here. That's cool. What are these things that people have made? AI voice library. Okay, let's see what else they got in the library. Okay, so this brings me to Jamble. I'm assuming, let's go back. I'm assuming they're using, is Jamble part of this? Jammable. Voicify AI is now jammable. Okay, so this is something different. Use my voice, use voices together. Okay, so all of that brings us to Jammable. I don't know. Let's read about this. Last week I launched it. Okay. I mean, it's cool. It's interesting. I'm just curious about like why that's going to. Is this the same logo? Let's check. No, it's a different logo. All right. If you use this model intensively over a short period of time, it may cause GPU resource shortages. Please wait a few minutes before resuming. Okay, so this is iframed, right? This looks like it's an iframe into this page. Used via API, built with Gradio. Okay. So it looks like, oh, here we go. What's this? Ten AI cover generators. Okay, so maybe this is just a landing page. I'm just trying to understand. This looks like it might be a landing page for Jammable, maybe, because then you go here, right, and in the comparison table, it's highly recommended at the bottom. Okay, cool. Refresh models. Song input. Link to a song on YouTube or full path. Okay, so let's get YouTube. What I don't understand is where you... I'll pause that. What I don't understand is where you... Okay, the models folder, AI cover gen. After new models are added, you need to click the refresh button. AI. Huh. Well, that's not very clear. Models folder, AI cover gen, RVC models. Okay, let's try that. RVC. I don't understand what that's saying. RVC. No? Okay. Important, click to expand. Okay. Voice conversion. Audio mixing. And the output is to an MP3 AI cover. Okay. I don't understand where you select. Like, okay, so here's our song that we put in. Where do you select the voice that it's going to be? Let's just hit generate and see. None type object has attribute set to default. I mean, this seems really cool. I want to try it. I want to understand. Let's see. All right. Oh, Lana Del Rey. Okay, so there are some artists in here. All right, let's try Lana Del Rey. None type object has no attribute. None type object. All right, I give up. Maybe we'll just let them know here in the comments. Jam a bull. Was it 2 M's? Yeah. All right, let's go real quick. We're over 10 minutes, so let's go to the next one. Prevent from switching 100 tabs and controls hardware. A unique and first of its kind distraction blocker. Okay. All right, I always have a ton of tabs open, so let's see what they say. It forcefully makes you focus. That's a tongue twister. Amine. Restricts mouse movement, prevents switching tabs, works with any browser. Oh, cool. So it makes you, basically forces you into a tab with no other tabs. Cool. Looks like a Windows only thing. Very cool though. Cool idea. "7 minutes in hell." Hit for people who want to punish themselves. All right. It's kind of a little bit dark for a 7-minute workout, which is kind of funny. Let's see the page. 7 minutes in hell for people who want to punish themselves. Loosen up. Make some space. Consult your doctor. Got it. Oh, cool. Okay. So, let's see. This thing just goes right. This thing goes right into a workout.
7 minutes in hell.
All right. So bicycle kick. Sponsor this page. Oh, that's cool. I actually like the idea of it just going right to the workout, right from the page, and sponsor the page. That's cool. Cool idea. Cool. All right, that'll be it for today. We've got a couple upvotes in there, a couple things that didn't work out, but overall, good day. Pretty cool. Congrats to everybody on launching, and I hope everybody continues to take action. We'll see you tomorrow.